Sheikh, Rahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to deliver a lecture in economics for class 12, and my topic today is illustration on value addition. This can be illustrated with the help of the table. So yesterday we have discussed about what is value addition, what is value at this addition, what is intermediate consumption, and what is change in stock that we have discussed yesterday. Now, today I will illustrate on value addition with the help of this table. From this table, in column first, here it is item producing enterprise. Column second, value of output in rupees, and column third of intermediate value of intermediate goods and consumption, and column fourth value added. Now what is in column first? In column first it is this farmer, then number 2 is flour mill, number 3 is baker, number 4 is shopkeeper. Now these are 4: farmer, flour mill. These are the item producing enterprise who are producing the items. Number 4, total number 4, farmer, flour mill, baker and shopkeeper. In column 2 it is value of output in rupees, what they produce and the value of that production. Farmer, what he produced, the value of that is 600. For flour mill it is 800. For baker it is 1000. And for shopkeeper it is 1200. And when we will add these 4 value of output, the total is 3600. And in column 3 it is cost of intermediate goods, intermediate consumption, cost of intermediate goods, or we can say intermediate consumption, in rupees. That is, this is the value of output what these 4 produces, and this is the cost. What is the cost of this farmer by producing 600 value of output? That is 200. And in 4th column it is value added. When the total output is 600 and cost of intermediate consumption, that is 200. Now what is the value added? That is 600 minus 200, that is 400. And for this flour mill, total value output is 800 and cost of consumption or intermediate consumption for this is 600. Now what is value added? 800 minus 600, that is 200. For the baker it is 1000 and cost intermediate consumption or cost of intermediate is 800 and value added is 1000 minus 800, that is 200. In the same way, for shopkeeper, 1200 and consumption is 1000 and cost added is 200. For this is 306, this value of output of total of these is 300,600 and this is 2600 and it is 1000. Now, what is GDP at market price? GDP at market price. Gross value added by all producing enterprises within the domestic territory of a country during the period of 1 year. Now, having estimated GDP at market price, we find out NNP, net national product at factor cost, or national income in terms of the following equation. What is the equation? GDP at market price minus depreciation, GDP at market price minus depreciation is equal to NDP market price minus net indirect taxes is equal to NDP at factor cost plus net factor income for abroad is equal to net national product at factor cost, net national product at factor cost. Now, here I will make you understand with this that GDP at market price is equal to gross value added by all producing enterprises within the domestic territory of the country during the period of 1 year. That gives us number one. Here it is number one. Gross value added by all producing enterprises in primary sector. This is number one. I will repeat. Gross value added by all producing enterprises in primary sector. Plus what we will add? Plus gross value added by all producing enterprises in secondary sector. Now number 3 is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is 3? Gross value added by all producing enterprises in territory sector. This all will give us gross domestic product at market price, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is 1 gross value added, this primary sector, number 2 secondary sector, number 3 territory sector. Now we will make subtraction from these 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. If we will subtract 4, that is depreciation, then that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4. This 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4, this 4 is depreciation. Minus fifth, number 5, that is net indirect taxes. The net indirect taxes, that is equal to number 6, that is number 5, net indirect taxes. Now plus number 6. What is number 6? Net factor income from abroad. And that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4 minus 5 and plus 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4 minus 5 plus 6. That is net national product at factor cost. That is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4 minus 5 plus 6. And this way we are measured the national income using added method. And added method we have already discussed yesterday. Now I hope that dear students, it is now clear to you. I will repeat a bit. That is what these 4 produces. What is the output? That is the intermediate consumption, or we can say cost of intermediate on producing these items. And what is the added value? When we will subtract this from value of output, when we will subtract this cost of intermediate from value of output, that is this column. And then we can say gross domestic product at market price. What is that? That gives us this column 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. And Then we will get national income at last. These plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4, that is depreciation, plus 5, that is net indirect taxes, minus 5 net direct taxes, and plus 6, that is net, plus 6, that is net national product at factor cost. So I hope now it is clear to you. Now the next lecture I will deliver inshallah tomorrow.